Dad, you need this? Somebody found an umbrella. Or is it too far gone?
It's pretty well done.
It's clogged up. You're a real trooper, though. The courage, the amount of courage that you're showing is pretty amazing.
Hey, when it comes to summer and grilling, you gotta go all out.
That's right. Be a man about it.
That's right. You gotta man up.
This is our wood cooking grill. We have had this thing since 2004, so it's 16 years old. So I'd say it stood the test of time. All steel, homemade. The wheels are off an old horse-drawn manure wagon. I have a friend who's a welder. His name's Rich K. Goes to our church. This was the 60th grill he's made. They're all kind of similar to this. He just here and there has done some. My buddy Romero Rodriguez has one, something similar, and my dad has one. They're awesome grills. This one is a 2-burner. It's got basically 2 sides to it. So you got a lid, so you can kind of use that as a warmer or cook on right on direct heat. So cooking various steaks tonight. I think it's about 3 or 4 different cuts. These are all Ebel steaks from Falmouth, Michigan. They're looking pretty good. Cooking them on some apple wood tonight. I like gas grills, but I do really like the charcoal and wood burning grills. Do you have a favorite grill? Do you have a favorite manufacturer? Down here on the lake tonight, as you can see the water out there, beautiful night, it's a beautiful summer evening. And I'll show you the other grill that we have down for our Adventure Cottage North Airbnb. This is the entrance down here to Adventure Cottage North Airbnb. We've had that video before from the wintertime. We should probably do a little bit of a summer update. We have kayaks, and here is our wood, or this is just the classic Weber charcoal grill. Pretty nice size cooking surface, and it's got a clean out in the bottom for the ashes, so you can turn the thing right here. Ashes will drop right there in the pan, so that's kind of a nice feature on that. Here is the classic fire pit. Sometimes we'll throw a grate over those and even cook on that. So what type of grilling do you prefer? Do you prefer gas, wood? Do you wish you had one of each? Some people have the grills that are one of each. I probably would prefer them to be separate units in case one side goes bad or whatever. But I do like both, and I've had many good steaks and meals off of both. So a lot of times it depends on the cook. So anyways, just kind of curious what your thoughts are out there. This grill here, like I said, was from 2004. I believe then I paid like $400. So it's probably still worth all of that now, and it still works every bit as good. I think we replaced the grates once. We took them out and he put a new set of grates in there. Anyway, it's been an awesome grill. Sometimes we put a little bit of cooking oil on the latches or something like that to keep them lubed up a little bit that way. But yeah, it's been awesome. Once in a while I'll hit it with some high heat paint, and still looks cool. Sometimes we call it the Cannon grill because I have started it with just a little bit of gasoline before. So anyways, if you got a favorite cooker or a favorite manufacturer, put a comment, put the link below. I've seen a lot of you guys have some different cooking channels. And like I said, I don't think there is the way, but this is one of my favorite ways to cook, is on the wood, especially if it's nice out and you have the time. But yeah, I do like the convenience of gas at times where you just want to kick the tires and light the fires and get it done, and they do an excellent job as well. And some people still cook with the wood pellets in those. So do you have a favorite brand? Do you like the Traegers? Do you like the Webers? Do you like your own homemade grills, cooking over the fire? There's all kinds of different brands and different styles. So just curious what you think. Thanks for watching. Also on this grill, it's got a little thing in the spot to put tongs or spatulas, any of that. The handles, you won't burn yourself. Got different material in there. These won't burn yourself on those. It does get very hot. Once it is hot, it will burn a long time. Both sides lift like this, and it has a spot where you can lift each side. It's got a little latch to hold your grate, and then you can load it up. Same thing on both sides.